Mantemo na yenkwa asokore mampo mensi no emu. Meno kase nipa mienu ena aposifo aso won pechi abilitie mu di ntwere ya bato commission na bie mato won ma wonom etwero no na se wodi kan atwero dada ena wo san ekwa akotwero ofoforo na mensi no EC officer Angela Free or say edinchemu atuja.
Some challenges that we've been facing is double registration. At times when the applicants come and you interrogate the person will insist he or she hasn't registered before. But when the person go to the biometrics column, then it will come out that the person has registered. And there, after the person has seen his or her image on the screen on the PC, then the person will then admit. So the challenge is the double registration. At times when we encounter that, we just hand them to the police. So far, they handed 2 to the police, 1 male, 1 female. I think that is the major challenge, and some few minors trying to register. At times when we interrogate the person will admit and leave. Others too, they wouldn't admit, so they'll go through the process, then we challenge them. Most of them are being brought by the political parties because you are not doing the registration at the various electoral areas. Coming here, at times the political parties convey them here.